How are you all doing? Hope you're all doing well. As always, happy and safe at home. Thank you so much for all the feedback, for all the love. It really means a lot to us. Today, we are on the day 5, 5th episode, the final episode of this series called 5 Days, 5 Big Questions of Marriage and Relationship. So, today what are we going to talk about? What is that one topic we need to touch upon and that is not talked at all? We are going to talk about something which is very, very universal and at the same time which is very much needed. Yes, I'm talking about change. Change is constant. We all know it, right? We can't deny it. We cannot ignore it. We cannot run away from it. We cannot blind ourselves from it. We all change. We all grow. We all evolve as individuals. With time and experiences, our approach, our behavior, our attitude, the way we look at things, everything changes because different experiences gives us different learnings. Hence, it impacts our thoughts. But does this change have an impact on the marriage and the relationship? Yes, a big yes. It does impact. And what do we need to do? We need to ask our partner whether this change is actually in a good way or a bad way. Or you can also ask, do I need to change anything in me so that our marriage is happy? Either partner can ask it, but you will not know the answer unless and until you will openly ask it. Because these questions, these answers are usually buried within themselves. Nobody talks it openly. Nobody wants to talk it because we don't want to hurt the other person. They are changing, but we are wondering if we question what would happen. They might feel hurt. There might be any gap in the relationship. With all the fears in the world, we generally don't ask. But the best solution is not fear, is not running away, is to embrace the question and ask it out. Irrespective of the consequences, it is always better to ask and not feel any regret later. So, what happens if you ask? Imagine that you as a father are an introvert person and don't take much initiatives or in the activities of your children. You might be interested, but you're not just that volunteer person. And imagine if your partner says this to you and makes you understand, helps you in embracing this change, and you get more close to your children, and as a family you are more closer. Your relationships gets more stronger with time because of your slightest change, because of your slightest involvement. Imagine how big the relationship change would be, how positive relationship change would be. And if this change will definitely and certainly impact your marriage, your relationship. So, it is always better and needed that we should ask each other, is there anything that you want me to change? Or is there anything that you don't like in me and you would prefer me to change? On that note, it is also important that we give each other that time and space for that change in the attitude to be done. Because you are asking the person to change their thoughts and bring them to a middle path. And that requires a little time. It doesn't happen overnight. So giving the time and space is also equally important. So on that note, I would conclude that it is very important to feel happy, to feel prioritized, to feel valued, to feel inclusive, and to accept each other and embrace the change with time in a marriage to have a healthy and a hearty marriage. So, I hope this series has helped some of you to look into your marriage, have an introspection, and have an open conversation with your partners. Thank you so much for being there in this journey with us and being there with full involvement and with lots of appreciation, because it's your feedback that brings us together all our thoughts. Thank you so much. Have a great day.